So hey, I'm here going to be spraying this with Krylon UV resistant clear acrylic coating. This is the matte version. So I was wondering how I was going to spray it without spraying it in the house, because this kind of smells, and I remembered, hey, I've got a clothesline. So here we go. Shake it up good. I've already shaken it. Shake it up about a minute, and then you just spray it. Get a good coat on it, and then you just let it dry. Stinky. No, you just let it dry and then put another coat on. That was my second coat. 2 or 3 is good. I'm probably just going to do 2 on this one because I got it pretty good. So there you go again. Krylon UV resistant clear acrylic coating matte version. That will seal it, keep the humidity off, and hopefully dirt and dust and fur wouldn't matter with this, but that's what it is. All right, thanks. Okay, so I let it dry. I noticed it kind of started bowing because of it, so I'm gonna put a coat of it on the back side. Beauty of this is I can slide it around. So I'm just gonna spray the back pretty heavy. This will cause an opposite effect of bowing. And added, whew. Yeah, don't do this in the house. It'll stink for a while. So that'll add to the straightening properties of the painting as it's drying. So, okay. That's my wrap up here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Check out my website, davisimages.com, which is right there. And I look forward to doing the next one with you. Thank you.